On August 11, 2025, President Donald Trump enacted a sweeping federal intervention in Washington, D.C., asserting control over the city's Metropolitan Police Department and deploying 800 National Guard troops. This unprecedented move, justified by Trump as a response to rising crime and homelessness, has ignited intense debate over its legality, necessity, and potential implications for civil liberties and local governance. Federal takeover, scope, and justification. Invoking the D.C. Home Rule Act, which permits federal control of the city's police for 30 days during emergencies, Trump placed the Metropolitan Police Department under the authority of Attorney General Pam Bondi. DEA Administrator Terry Cole was appointed to oversee the department. Simultaneously, 800 National Guard troops were deployed to patrol the Capitol, with Trump warning of potential further military involvement if deemed necessary. Trump cited recent violent incidents, including the assault of a former Department of Government Efficiency staffer during an attempted carjacking and the fatal shooting of a congressional intern, as evidence of escalating lawlessness. He described the city as plagued by crime, savagery, filth, and scum, asserting that immediate federal action was required to restore order. Contradictory crime statistics. Contrary to the administration's claims, D.C. officials report a significant decline in crime rates. Violent crime has decreased by 26% compared to the previous year, and juvenile arrests have dropped by 20%. Mayor Muriel Bowser and Attorney General Brian Schwalb have criticized the federal intervention as unnecessary and legally questionable, emphasizing that the city is not experiencing a crime emergency. Trump, however, has dismissed these statistics as phony, alleging that local authorities have manipulated data to downplay the severity of the situation. Targeting homelessness and urban decay. In addition to crime, Trump has focused on homelessness, ordering the immediate removal of homeless encampments from public spaces. He has suggested relocating homeless individuals to facilities far from the Capitol, though details on these plans remain vague. Critics argue that this approach lacks compassion and fails to address the root causes of homelessness. Trump has also announced plans to beautify the city by repairing infrastructure and eliminating slums, though specifics on these initiatives are limited. Political and legal repercussions. The federal takeover has sparked significant political backlash. Civil rights leaders, including Reverend Al Sharpton, have condemned the move as racially targeted and politically motivated. Legal experts question the constitutionality of the intervention, warning of potential overreach and the erosion of local autonomy. Trump has indicated that similar actions may be taken in other cities, such as New York, Chicago, and Los Angeles, if local governments fail to address crime effectively. Broader implications. This federal intervention marks a significant escalation in the use of executive power over local jurisdictions. It raises critical questions about the balance between national authority and local governance, the militarization of domestic law enforcement, and the protection of civil liberties. As the situation unfolds, it will undoubtedly serve as a pivotal case study in the ongoing debate over federalism and the appropriate scope of presidential power.